Hi guys, and welcome back. I think this should be the last video. I just think, but I'm not sure. Anyway, but we don't have a lot of things to do again. This is the first project, and we don't need to kill ourselves. I think about it. This can just be like version 1. You can start to upgrade it later, or even with something more upgradable. So we'll be doing the dashboard design in this particular episode. So as you can see, I have introduced new stuff. Like here we have semester CGPA and also semester GPA. Yep, we have CGPA and we have GPA in this. So I think about it. I think on the dashboard we should just display the trend, like I'm using a line chart and the bar chart to display the trends of the CGPA and the GPA per each semester. Okay, I think that should be perfect enough for the dashboard for now. And then on the dashboard is going to carry like some of the informations that we need to input there to show that this work was done by ASSON Tech Hub members for the phase 1. This is their project, so like to put the developers informations there, and the departmental name as the as the heading, association as the heading. So that is just like basic thing I want us to do on the dashboard there. But let's see how it goes. And again, on the dashboard we're going to have the users how's it called, the users guide. Yeah, the users guide, like not like precisely the complete user guide, but just like telling the user some what some abbreviations mean in this project. Okay, here you can see here I have 100 FS, I have 100 SS, I have 200 FS, and also 200 SS down to 400 level SS. Okay, what you are seeing there is coded like the way we have for this place for the total grade point for first semester 100 level to 400 level, and that of total credit units registered for 100 level to 400 level. So it is the same thing that we're having here, but this time around it's coded in a separate way. Like the F means first, then the S means second semester, and S means second, and the other S means second semester. So like here we have 100 FS, it means nothing but 100 level first semester, and here we have 100 SS, which means 100 level which means 100 level second semester. Okay, so that is what it means, and we can upgrade it, like putting L in it. Okay, so I'm not leaving like this, let it be coded this way. I think that is okay. So next, on this column for the CGP, we're going to echo all the CGP here just by doing equal to, then we select for 100 level first semester, that is it. Then we do equals to, we select for 100 level second semester, just echoing it there, because as you see we want everything to be interactive in order for the line chart to be interactive as well. So we're just picking everything the way it is. So equals to this, we echo it, and also we do equals to this, we echo this one too, then we do equals to, then we select for 400 level first semester as well, then we do equals to, and we'll select for 400 level second semester. Yeah, so that is it basically. So for that of GPA, we need to echo it from each of the sheets. So we're going to do equals to, I'm going to 100 level first semester, and so we'll echo for 100 level first semester, and we're going to do equals to, then we'll echo for 100 level second semester, then we're going to do equals to, we'll go to 200 level sheet and echo for 200 level first semester, then we'll do equals to again and go to 200 level sheet and echo for 200 level second semester, then we're going to do equals to, go to 300 level and echo for 300 level first semester, then equals to we'll go to 300 level again and echo for 300 level second semester as well. So we now on 400 level, so equals to, we'll go to 400 level sheet and we'll echo for 400 level first semester, then we do equals to again, we go to back to 400 level and echo for 400 level second semester. So we have called on all the and a CGPA here. So we're going to create two charts. One is going to be a bar chart, the other one is going to be a line chart. And forgive me, that is what I'm going to be using for this dashboard. So for this, we're going to highlight this. Let's highlight for both the semester and the CGPA. So we'll go to the insert tab. So from the insert tab, I'm going to go on that chart and we'll go for line charts. And I think I'll select this one. Okay, it's not bad, it looks nice. So but we need to organize some stuff about it here. Already it's showing what we want it to show actually, but we still need to organize some stuff about it because this is not displaying up to like 5 or whatever, and I want it to like be on a standard of like something like 0 to 5 or stuffs like that. But then again, let's just go to the style because I have a style in mind that I want us to use for this. I just pre-work on all level. Okay, as you can see, but this is the style I have in mind, and this style is a line chart. It's still a line chart, but you see it shows each of the CGP on it, like it display it. You can see it, they can see. You don't need to like think about it. So stuff like that. So we're going to rename this place and call it CGPA trends across semesters. Okay, that heading is perfect for it. So we can just select what we have here. This we can just select it and take it from here to another sheet, which is going to be the sheet for our dashboard. So we're going to create a new sheet and we'll call this dashboard. Okay, so let's go to the analysis, copy this. We're going to cut it actually because we don't need it in the analysis here, because the analysis page will not be displayed. You can see that in 100 level first semester, this person have a CGPA of 3.46. You see that place is the lowest one. As you can see, the graph is already telling the story. Let's see if it's interactive. So let's go back to 100 level first semester there, and let's assume this person have like this person have like lots is 4.7. I change the value to see the interaction. See, you can see how it goes. But it happened to be that semester, that level is the level that the person have the highest CGPA. You can see that. Okay, almost highest, not the highest, second to the highest. You can see now it's changed. So everything is interactive. Perfect, we are good with that. So let's go back to the analysis again for the GPA. Okay, for the GPA, so because we want them to see the visual display of how their GPA and the CGPA trends look like. Okay, so we now for the GPA, we'll go back to the insert as well after selecting it. Like I said, I've selected the two columns there, so we'll go this time around. We're going to be using a bar chart. Sorry, not Instagram, a bar chart. Okay, let's go with okay, let's go with a 2D bar chart. Fair enough, not bad. So the next thing we would like to do here is to change the style. Now we have a lot of style for bar chart here, so we just go to under the chart style there and try to test some of this. Okay, this is what the one. Okay, this is the one I actually want. So this is the chart we have. It looks like this. Oh, it looks somehow awful, but don't worry, we'll soon customize it. So I'm going to cut this chart from here and take it to the dashboard. So for this chart, let's go to the chart design there and try to change the design to make it look more, you know, attractive. And yeah, you can see this is actually perfect for it. So we're going to be using this. So you can see here it's echoing for each of the level down it, so everything is clear. Okay, everything is clear. So these are just the two things we are going to be using, the two charts we are going to be using for the sake of this dashboard. So this is it. So let's quickly design the dashboard. We don't need much thing here, just that we'll be needing a heading here. So for the sake of the heading, I'm going to use shape to do just a very light design there up there. So go to under shape and select a rectangle, a bordered rectangle actually. So I'm gonna draw the rectangle somewhere here. Okay, so next we would like to remove the under shape format. We're going to remove the outline because we don't really need the outline there. So that's it. We have removed the outline and everything seems so perfect now, or look at least okay now. So next we are just going to arrange these stuffs. We'll arrange them. So here we are going to go to the insert again and insert a text box tool that we can actually use to write something in here. Sorry, let's go with just our project name, please. Okay, so now that we have typed in our project name, is to increase the font size, and we'll ensure that everything is set to center. Okay, so we can turn off our grid line now. So we're going to get a copy of this shape and take it down here. And we're going to grab this that we have in here, this text tool, this text box. We're going to get a copy of it down there as well. Developed by ASSON Tech Hub team. So kind of try to move it down a little bit because it's too showing there. That is, yeah. So that is it. We are not like stressing ourselves. Like some keys are still remaining that I'm going to be leaving them here. Yeah, actually there are still a lot of keys I'm going to be leaving them, but this is, you have seen how the thing is going on already, so it's the same trend. So the only thing I'll do is just to do some little adjustment and add some of the keys that are in the main result pages again, you know, the one we have here just for the dashboard. So that is all. And the next video will be just doing the locking of the sheets and the cells, and also deploying it to the online, creating the online version of it. Just for Microsoft One already, the only thing we need to do is just to upload it, and the same thing to sheet, to Excel sheet. We just upload what we have, and this work is going to be the same with that of CCMAS. So that is it, guys. Thank you very much.